I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Apple Pay for the New York City subway. Paying for your subway rides has never been easier or faster. We'll cover everything you need to know, from setting up your device to tapping at the turnstile. This modern payment method saves you time and eliminates the need for physical Metro cards, making your commute smoother and more efficient. Get ready to streamline your travel experience across the city's extensive transit network. Setting up Apple Pay is a straightforward process that takes just a few moments. First, open the Wallet app on your iPhone or Apple Watch. Then tap the plus sign in the top right corner to add a new card. You can either scan your physical card or manually enter its details. Your bank will then verify the card, often through a quick text message or phone call. Once verified, your card is ready for use, providing a secure and convenient payment option. When you're ready to ride, simply look for the OMNY reader at any subway turnstile or bus entrance. To pay with your iPhone, hold it near the reader with your finger on Touch ID, or double-click the side button for Face ID. If you're using an Apple Watch, double-click the side button and hold the watch face near the reader. A quick tap and a green check mark on the reader confirms your payment, granting you access to the transit system in less than 1 second. Using Apple Pay offers numerous benefits, including unparalleled speed and convenience, allowing you to bypass Metro card vending machines entirely. Your payment information is highly secure, encrypted, and never stored on your device or shared with the MTA. The fare is the same as a single-ride Metro card, currently $2.90. For the best experience, remember to use the same device for all your taps within a 7-day period to ensure you receive any applicable fare capping benefits, making your rides even more economical.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.